Alright. I'm recording.
No, don't record.
Punch this watermelon.
My fingers in the way?
No.
Nah, just close it as much as you can. You want me to elbow it?
No. Punch it first.
Punch it?
Alright, your head's in the way. Hey, wait, let me get on the other side. Hold on.
Bitch.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Yeah, dude. Right? Running start, right?
Do whatever you want, man.
Fine. Alright, ready? Shit, this is gonna be a fail. Hey, I'm gonna elbow it. I'm just gonna elbow it. Fuck it, I'm gonna punch it.
Make it explode with your punch.
It's not gonna explode, I'm gonna punch it.
Hurry up. Yes! Yes!